when General J.J. Odong was the army commander, I remember very well when he was transferred from that office, there was a big war between him and those who came in. And one of the statements he made was that they were fighting as if they are most grasshoppers in a tin, hitting each other. Madam Speaker, I give a lot of respect to General J.J. Odong. At least I am on record that I warned General Kale Kayihura of such incidences. And I'm also warning you, because I move with God. You have been in the campaigns, General J.J. Odong, where you have, he stood as a candidate. Where haven't you had processions? Where have it, when our members in front of me here, haven't you had the processions in your campaigns? We have had them. But when you talk about killing someone, do you really believe that Kassiano Wadri, Mavike, Mwim attacked the president and were shooting at him? Can you tell me that Kassiano Wadri threw stones to the presidential convoy? You, General J.J. Odong? General J.J. Odong. Do you believe that? Could you tell us, do you believe that Kassiano Wadri was throwing stones to the presidential convoy? Can you believe that? Could you tell us that? And when it comes to shooting, Madam Speaker, are we going back to one-party state? We need to know that. If we are going back to one-party state, that is only NRM contesting everywhere. We must know that. Obote did it. Can I take your information?
Thank you very much, Honorable.